In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how you can install shaders in Minecraft version 1.21.6. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Shaders can dramatically improve the look and feel of Minecraft by adding realistic lighting, shadows, and effects. Here's how you can get started. Begin by exiting out of Minecraft if it's currently open and opening up a web browser. In this example, I'm going to use Chrome, but any browser works. Search for Iris Shaders or go directly to iris-shaders.dev. It should take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is simply go ahead and hit download now, and then scroll and choose Universal Jar, just like so, to download the installer. It should look something like this. Now we're going to find your shaders by going to curseforge.com, selecting Minecraft or searching Minecraft and then selecting it, and then going to browse all up at the top. In this left menu, you're going to see a bunch of different options. We're looking for the shaders option, so go ahead and click on that, and now you'll be able to browse the available packs. You can preview them with images. In this example, I'm going to choose the Complementary Shaders Reimagined pack, and it looks pretty good overall. This is one of my favorite shaders. Once you find the shaders that you want to use, simply go ahead and select the Files tab and make sure that you're checking for the latest version. This is going to be 1.21.6, but do whatever version you're currently on. If you're not on 1.21.6, go ahead and hit these three dots just like so, and then hit download file. It's going to take a second to load, and then it should start automatically downloading for you. Just don't click on anything on this page just because it's a bunch of ads. But now what you're going to want to do is open up your File Explorer just like so, navigate to that download section, and in here you're going to want to go ahead and download the Iris installer. Find it, go ahead and double click on it. It's going to open up a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and make sure you have it on Iris only 1.21.6.minecraft and hit install. This shouldn't take that long. If it doesn't pull up with something that looks like this for you, you're going to need to go ahead and download Java. You can do this by going to java.com and just downloading it for desktop and installing it. Then you just need to right click on the installer, choose open with, and then select Java. But once this is completed for you, go ahead and open up that Minecraft launcher just like so. Once you get in the Minecraft launcher, go ahead and select the version down at the bottom that says Iris and Sodium for 1.21.6 and go ahead and hit play. It's going to pop up with the pop-up here. Go ahead and select the little check mark and hit play again. That's only going to happen the first time that you launch this though. Once you go ahead and get into Minecraft, you're going to want to go ahead and enter in any world. I'm going to create a new one real quick. We're just going to put it on creative and get loaded in. So it looks something like this. Now the shaders aren't on here yet. If they're not on for you, don't worry, because what you're going to want to do once you get loaded into any world is actually hit the escape button to pause and then go to options and find video settings. You're going to see a new interface thanks to Sodium, which is really cool, but find shader packs up at the top and click on it, and then go ahead and hit open shader pack folder just like so. It's going to open up this again, navigate to your downloads, and actually find your shaders. Now, it's probably in a zip file here. Go ahead and drag this in just like so, and you'll be good to go. Now go back to the game. You're going to want to select your shaders and then go ahead and hit apply. It's going to take a second to load, but once it applies, you'll see it'll automatically put on those shaders. Now, if I go back to my game, I already have those enhanced visuals. But that's it. You've now successfully installed shaders in Minecraft 1.21.6. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to leave a like in the video and subscribe for even more Minecraft tips. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.